Alright, you fuckheads. I got a new vid for y'all today. I'm actually gonna go help out the homie Buck right now, which is another one of my coworkers, to swap his clutch on his stolen Z3. I think his car got stolen about, maybe I want to say 2 months ago. And yeah, they fucking fucked up the clutch. Whoever stole it didn't even know how to drive the car, so I'm gonna help him do that and see how the fuck this shit goes. Hopefully it's not too bad. We get it done in like 5 hours. I'll be happy with that. So I guess I'll see you when I get to his house. So this is the Z3 that I said was stolen. That needs a clutch. This my ex-coworker Buck.
Yo.
I think I don't know, he's working, so that's why I said my ex-coworker. He hasn't been working, like, what do you say?
It's been like 6 or 7 weeks at least.
It's been a while. But yeah, what happened on this shit? Tell the people.
Yeah, it got stolen, fucking got caught slipping, and yeah, now I got all this repair work I gotta do. Fucking haven't been able to drive my car in fucking over a month.
Yeah, so I mean, hopefully just by doing this clutch job, it should be up and running by the end of today. I mean, I would give it 5 hours. Shouldn't take too long. But yeah, this is stolen Z3. We're gonna do the clutch, and I guess y'all gonna be part of it.
Yup, getting.
You got that shit, big one?
Oh, fuck off.
You got it stuck, man?
Yeah. All right. You gotta do this the old-fashioned way. See, this is how they did it back in the day.
Shit, did you get it loosed up?
I did. I swear I saw it move, dude. Fucking just a little bit. Watch this. See this? Watch this.
There you go, big one.
Yeah. Fuck, dude.
You got 3 more to go.
Yeah. Just pull it straight.
Don't let it drop though.
What?
Don't let it drop.
Okay, yeah.
Like, hold it up. I don't want that shit to drop on the floor. It's gonna hurt.
Okay, almost off the bolts. Almost. But maybe go a little towards the driver's side.
This?
Yeah. Now try pulling straight back. There we go. Alright, hold on. Setting it down.
Whoa, that took forever. Fucking rusted bolts are not the thing.
Fuck yeah, fucking rusted bolts. Does that even have a fucking... Oh yeah. It does. I was like...
Alright, barely got the exhaust off. That actually is working. Cool. China's gonna fall on my face.
Yeah, don't let it do that one.
Dirt all over my face. Yeah, we had to run a fucking O'Reilly's real quick. We needed some Ronas, you know, keep us motivated. Needed a couple little shit, but Trini hopefully should come out in the next hour. What do you think?
Yeah, hour. No, 30 minutes.
That sounds better.
Just like misses this. Just fuck.
I know, I feel like it's gonna bounce out.
Yeah, I do too. I'm waiting, it's gonna like get me right in the fucking eye.
Yeah, it did not look that loose. No,
Alright. Nice. Yeah. Shit's so clean, dude.
It actually is really
I could probably just fucking reuse it.
No, it's
Oh shit!
bouncing
Oh
all over
shit!
the place.
Oh, fuck. Get out of there!
I told you. I knew it.
Fuck.
In here. Oh fuck. This shit is not fun. On the side of the fucking road.
No, dude. It fucking sucks.
Oh, there goes the slave. Oh fuck, I got dirt in my face.
And down comes the slave.
Fucking slave. Stuck. And my homie, like, he doesn't work on cars, so he was just inside his house. 'Cause I was working at his house.
Oh.
So he was just inside his house, like, chilling.
You're like, dude, I got a fucking transmission
And I'm
on
over,
me.
yeah, I'm over here stuck under the car like, fuck, I got a fucking transmission on my stomach. I need some motherfucking help.
Yeah, that's some fuck shit.
But
Cause yeah, these trannies weigh at least like what, 100 pounds?
yeah, they're not super heavy, but
Heavy enough.
yeah, the automatic ones are heavier.
Oh yeah, dude.
They're like bigger.
Fuck, dude. I used to have an Audi 90, and it like in the 90s when they came out with like the A8 or whatever, the V8 ones, they only had like auto trans, and fucking those shits were super heavy, dude. It's like 300 pounds.
Yeah, these aren't bad. They're pretty light compared to the... Yeah, it looks like I'm not doing anything, but I'm actually trying to get one fucking clip out.
No, he's trying to give the transmission a hug.
I love you, transmission. I love me a trans.
I see you like filling up trannies.
Oh, I got it.
Oh shit.
Sick.
I thought I heard a pop. And there it is, the fucking bitch clip.
Bitch clip. Need that.
Fuck that shit. Yeah, so it goes in like that and clips over.
Shit's a bitch.
Major bitch.
I can't see anything that I'm doing.
That fucking, that big 1/2-inch one I have dropped right on my throat. Oh shit.
I think this is the long stretch home. Last 3 bolts. Oh, that's 4 bolts actually. I hit my finger. That should hurt.
Oh wait, are you still on the linkage, or you
No,
doing that?
it's off already.
Oh fuck. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah.
I just gotta finish taking off these bolts and the transmission's ready to come out.
Oh yeah. He likes it deep in the trannies.
I'm like feeling deep in these trains. Come on.
Fuck.
Come on.
He's elbow deep. Hey.
All right, so we got all the transmission bolts out, but this one bolt, that one right there that's starting to strip, I don't know if someone fucking Loctited it or what, but for the fucking life of me, we can't take it out.
Right.
This car kicked our fucking ass.
It has. So I didn't bring my jack, so we had to use this shitty jack. And yeah, I thought he had a better jack, that's why I'm bringing mine. So we're like on the curb and then trying to get this car higher, try to get some more leverage for this fucking bolt that just does not want to come out. So I don't know if this isn't it. I don't know what is gonna be it.
I actually work.
Yeah, Buck, I don't know. I think that was just a fat fail. But it wasn't our fault, though.
Yeah, I mean, now we're going to electrical tape it out.
Maybe. I don't think it's going to work, honestly. I think it's going to shred it off. But, I mean, we're working on the side of the street. And, yeah, transmission didn't come off due to that one bolt that just didn't want to come off. So, I think we're just going to end it there and call it a day. Dude, it's just cutting through this shit like butter.
Fuck yeah, dude. You're like halfway through it.
Oh, fuck. That fucking hurt my hand.
Oh shit.
I got it.
Fuck yeah.
Would it come off?
Yeah, no, I feel like. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Yeah. There she goes.
Oh, there you go. Now, put it on. That's it.
Oh yeah,
That's
dude.
all you.
This ain't heavy.
I had it on something. Use your knees, like I said.
Yeah. It's just
It's
on
off,
the
literally
sun.
off.
Yeah.
This is just you.
Yeah, it's just fucking gotta
I know you feel it. It's
work through the fucking. I got the drive shaft here. I got the.
Trust, that was the exact same way. I had no space.
All right. Okay. Do you want to get like up the front and like, is there a way you could hold it? Cause like, yeah, my legs. I feel like it's just gonna crush them.
Oh, it's off. It's literally off.
I know.
It's on you.
I just need you to like maybe hold it while I fucking roll out of the way.
How am I supposed to do that?
Yeah, like that. Whew. Fuck. Pinching my fucking balls. Alright.
Are you off?
Yeah. Just about. If you could hold it. While I scoop my leg down.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Oh, shit. Oh, man. Yeah, that fucking bottom mount was a little close to my members.
Oh yeah, so pristine. Well,
Yeah, dude, fucking.
after all that fighting, we got the tranny out, and it's pretty fucked. Everything's fucked.
Yeah, as you can see, this bearing totally melted.
The throb bearing just fucking fell apart. That's fucked.
Pivot things all fucking melted.
So, at least it's out, I guess. We're hoping to get it all done by today, but that obviously didn't happen.
No.
Not even close, but
Not even close.
I guess this would be a part one. Alright, so we're gonna end it here. Obviously, we got the trans off, so it's gonna be a part one. But yeah, stay tuned for part two.